It's free stuff time. Everybody likes free stuff. Audio is one of the most important parts of your film, and you can always add production value with some good sound effects. There are plenty of places online where you can download royalty-free sound effects to use, but I think it's better and more fun to create your own. I've done a couple of tutorials over the years about creating your own sound effects. Here's how I did it for my Film Fights winner Hide and Seek. I needed to create a werewolf transformation but didn't have the time or money for amazing visual effects, so I decided to do it almost entirely with audio. Here's how I built it up. I looked around the house for items that I thought might make the sounds I wanted. I ended up with some plastic packaging, a hairbrush, not mine I might add, and a nail brush. For the hair growing out of my sleeve I used the nail brush. Then I used the hairbrush for the joint popping effect. And topped it off by scrunching the plastic packaging to make bone cracking sounds. I then added some vocal sounds of me in pain, which I lowered the pitch on sort of halfway through, so it matched a sound effect that I got from sweetsoundeffects.com of like a werewolf growl. I then topped it off with some royalty-free music, and here's the end result. I've put together my own royalty-free horror sound effects package. These are free to use in any video project you like, even commercial ones. All I ask is that you give credit. Here is a selection of some of the sounds in the package, and you'll find a download link in the description.
Happy PHANTOMWEEN!
Thanks Kim and Martin for that awesome shout out, and thanks to everyone who sent me a shout out this year. As this is the last episode of this season, I don't need any more right now, but you can still drop me a line at ThePhantomMonk@hotmail.co.uk and send me ones for next year if you like. Well, that's it for this year. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and happy Halloween!